In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email from HubSpot CRM. Whether you're using HubSpot for the first time or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can communicate effectively with your contacts. So let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. Once the homepage has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Click on it to proceed. As you land on the login page, you're presented with several options to access your account. For this tutorial, let's use the convenient Sign in with Google feature. Click on it and select your account from the list. This method not only saves time, but also keeps your credentials secure, eliminating the need to remember yet another password. Once you've successfully logged into your HubSpot account, look for the CRM icon on your dashboard. Click on it to enter the CRM area. HubSpot CRM is designed to keep all your contact details organized and easily accessible. On the CRM page, direct your attention to the left-hand side where you'll notice a Contacts link. Clicking this link will bring you to a list of all your existing contacts. If you have a long list, you might want to use the search function to quickly find the contact you wish to email. But for now, let's just click on the name of the contact you're interested in communicating with. This will take you to their individual contact page where their details and interaction history are displayed. Here, you'll find the email icon prominently featured on the left profile panel. Clicking this icon will open up the email composition window. This user-friendly interface allows you to create personalized emails, ensuring your message is tailored to the recipient's needs and preferences. As you prepare to draft your email, the first thing you should do is add a subject line. This is crucial as it gives the recipient a clear idea of what your email is about, making it more likely they'll open and read it. Next, move on to the body of your email. Begin typing your message in the space provided. Keep your text clear, concise, and relevant to the subject at hand. Remember, a well-crafted email not only conveys your message efficiently, but also sets a professional tone. Once you are satisfied with your email content, review it for any errors or additional edits. Finally, when everything looks perfect, move to the Send button and click it. Your email is now on its way to your contact. With HubSpot CRM, sending emails is not only straightforward, but also enhances your ability to manage business communications effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and have a productive day using HubSpot.